Hello, friends and other beautiful people. Much more guitar porn coming very soon. Musical orgasms and multiplication tables on the daily basis. Some of them will be captured on video. Live feeds mostly. If you're familiar with my live feeds, you know how they are. So hope to see more of you on them. And if you can't make the live versions, there's always the recorded archived ones as well, which are always very good. The only difference is if you catch me live, we can interact and have our own little energy play as I'm playing live, which is so much fun. There's a certain magic in that I can't wait to experience more of with you and all of you and all of you beautiful people. Not just with this guitar, but this one, guitar porn in multiples. musicalorgasms.com. I hope you've enjoyed this ridiculous video. I dig it. And subscribe to my YouTube, orgasmicpathways.com. You'll find my YouTube plugin there, as well as all the other things I'm into. Health, fitness, dance, lots of dancing, and lots of guitar music. Have a beautiful day, friends. Drop a comment. Tell me what styles of music you would like me to see do more of in my live feeds. Do you like the Latin stuff I've been doing, the more Spanish-inspired guitar stuff, or more metal, more melodic stuff, heavy stuff, soft stuff, jazzy stuff? You name it. Just let me know, and we'll see what happens. Bye for now.